Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this little miniature vacuum that can not only suck but also can blow air. This looks like it'd be great for like, I don't know, an office where you could use like in your keyboards to like blow out some small debris that are in there, or like in your car where you can find little cracks and crevices and suck things out. This uses a 4,000 milliamp hour batteries. It'll give you about a 20-minute run time. It takes about 3 hours to charge this from empty on there. It's a very slim, compact design, kind of a trigger design there. Looks like it's got a nozzle on the end. You can use with just that to suck with that, or it does have a couple of adapter nozzles to get you a little more precision with that. Or you also have this little end that you can insert on there to give you a brush as you're brushing things out to allow it to suck into there. It's got a nice dust collector cup that is inside here. It allows you to dump out the remnants when you are ready. And the filter here is washable. You can rinse that off, let it dry, and then you can put it back in there as well. So that part is nice. Let's go ahead and listen to how it sounds, and then we'll try it out. So a couple of neat things I noticed. One is it's blowing out the back end here, and it's got a pretty good blow. See if I can demonstrate how it's blowing that off there like that. So it's got some decent blow, and the front end here sucks in, and it's not extremely loud. It does have a nice LED light that's there in case you had to see in a dark area. A little light kind of comes on there, do that. But seems like it'll work pretty well. Let's go ahead and get out and we'll try it in the car and see what we can't find to suck up. So I'm going to put the brush on there along with the extender piece here. There's some stuff in the seat, and I've got some down here on the door track, so let's see what it does here. Come on down to the door track down here. There's a bunch down here. And this light provides some little visibility. I mean, that seemed to do really well right down in there. Even along the edges here, it's got some deeper cracks throughout there. So for detailing your vehicle, this obviously would work really well. And inside here again, we've already got all the dust and dirt that's all been collected from inside there, and it just pulled it right out and it's trapped into the filter. So seems like it's working pretty well.